clapping clap. Banana deer.
Hey, Chef Jack, we gotta start cooking. So what's the first thing we gotta do?
I did swimming.
We gotta what?
I did swimming.
We gotta wash our hands. Let's make sure we
I
wash
did.
Well, let's wash them a little bit more.
Get it.
Hold them up. They look clean. Look clean to me. Dry towel.
Right.
Hi, everybody.
Hi, this is a giant ice.
Why don't you say hi, all the kids?
Hi, all of you.
What are we making today, Jack?
Buffets.
Parfaits.
Or fry.
So what ingredients do we have today?
Yeah, blueberry.
Blueberries. Extra delicious. What else do we have?
Ooh, strawberries.
Strawberries. What else? What is that?
Canola.
Granola. What else you got over there in your little... We might have to wash our hands again. What else do you have over there in your little ingredient area?
Yogurt.
Yogurt.
Here, taste it.
I'm not gonna taste it.
Mmm.
It tastes good?
I should put a little sweet.
And what's the yellow thing back there? You forgot about them. Behind the strawberries.
Banana.
What?
That's yummy yogurt.
It's pretty good. Maybe we give our mouth a little wipe with that towel. Alright, let's cut up all our stuff.
What can I cut?
Okay, pop all those strawberries in there. Okay, now add your blueberries. Add your blueberries. Blueberries in there. Nice work.
What's this?
That's an unripe blueberry. Yeah. Chef Jack, can you mix up our fruit bowl with your hands?
I'm scared to touch this.
Oh, would you like a spoon instead? One spoon. Oh, careful mixing, careful mixing, careful mixing, careful mixing, careful mixing. All right, make sure all that stuff gets back in there. What do we put into our jar first? Looks like you got some yogurt in there. And then you're gonna add some of your berry mixture, yeah? Maybe we use our hand instead of pouring it, or does pouring it work? Oh, we're using the spoon method. All right, a messy method, but it works. Okay, now we need to do another layer of yogurt. Do some more yogurt
No.
on top. Keep it going. Nice work.
Is that all we need?
Let's do one more scoop. Okay, now let's do another thing, another layer of berries. All right, so we've got yogurt and berries and yogurt and berries. And what goes on last, Jack? Granola. All right, sprinkle some on top there.
Can you pour it?
I guess you can pour it. Okay, all right.
Oh, man, get off it. I do it. I'm so challenged.
All right, I don't think you need any syrup on yours. What do you think? Oh, maybe a little syrup? Just a little bit. Perfect.
Lava!
Chef Jack, can you point all the different layers in your parfait out for me? What do you got? Yogurt, berries, yogurt, granola. But wait, what's that on top? And syrup. And what's that sticking out of the top?
A firework. You may eat.
What was that?
Bon appetit, you may eat.